Hey guys, it's How to Code here. Now we're going to work on the support page. That is today's episode. So what you need to do here is, again, background, whatever color you want, name it support, and then you want 2 text inputs, and just drag them onto the screen. The first you want to name subject and put the hint as subject. Then the second you want to put the name as message and the hint as message. That's it. Easy. Now you just want 2 buttons. The first one you're going to name send and the text send. The second one you want to put is support-home and then the text home. Now the next part that you're going to need is the share button. That you just want to drag onto the screen and it should show up down here. And that's it. Now let's get into the code for this thing. Alright, so you want to drag out a win send click do and drag it down to here. Then go into your share 1 and get call send email and block it in right there. Now to email you're going to put in whatever support email you're going to use for the app you're building, and in the subject you want to go to from subject get text and plug it in there, and then do the same thing for message. Now for the home, you want to drag down win support home click do and put in navigate to home. And that's it. Simple as that. Easy out. Now in the next episode we'll be going over how to build a profile. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.